For this part of the video, I would be showing you how to trim the top of his head using scissors. However, co-founder Jeremy on this side of the screen already does an excellent job in his video of showing how to do that. So you can go ahead and tune into his video to see how to cut with scissors if that's what you'd like to do. Instead, here, I'm going to show you a real life situation that just happened to me where Jim looked in the mirror at the end of his haircut and said, "That's not the haircut I wanted." Well, it turns out the fade line, the line that I drew with the marker, was too dark. It was too obvious. It's not faded enough. So this is the very first line with the very first attachment that I put onto the clippers here. So I'm just gonna go over it. And this could happen to you. You're gonna follow all of the steps and you're gonna feel like you're doing exactly everything that you need to do. And you're gonna look at the hair at the end and say, So don't be ashamed, don't be afraid. You just start over again. So we're just gonna go over this one fade line to tighten things up. So I'm using the very first attachment, 3 millimeters, 1/8 inch. And the only difference I'm gonna do this time is I'm just gonna press harder. And that's gonna make the cut closer to his scalp, creating a more blended fade line. So here I go. And I always like to go over it one more time. Here. And as you can see, that is much better.